Yo. Welcome to another episode, everybody, and I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Today we're going to be playing some Ratchet Clank adventure movie time, you know. That's why I like to call it different things every time I start it up. Today we're going to be doing side missions. We'll do a little Xerxes Bronze Cup optional, you know. Last
my name on them.
we took care of Trudy. Now we're going to be doing the Bronze Cup stuff.
Dialed in.
Get some bolts and some armor and some equipment so we could get nice and strong for the rest of the main quest. Scar 2 debris field, the Xerxes. Xerxes. Okay, let's look at the map. There's that. We might as well go grab that, to be honest with you. I wonder what those rifts are. Like,
Mort's limeade recipe's slowly coming along.
oh. Whoa, this looks hard to get.
This was quite well.
We got it. I don't care if we fell or not. Fuck it. We got it. RPG. Damage number fly off of enemy when you hit them. Okay, you see the damage you're doing. Alright. Let's go get the bronze cup. Let's go do that real quick. You got anything for us there, sweetie?
Make you a deal.
A deal. Kinda deal. Alright. Oh, map's offline.
Quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a Dimensionator.
Alright.
Well, I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe.
Alright, let's do some
Right.
bronze cup, boys and girls. We're gonna destroy Pirate Pier soon. Oh, I can only use this? Okay.
I've enjoyed that one.
Wait. What? I can't jump or what the fuck is going on here? Boom. No shit. Get him. I can't use any other weapons. Why doesn't it jump? Why doesn't it jump? I'm gonna freak the fuck out. I'm a... 25 goons with only the enforcer. Damn. Try it again. Uno más. Good stuff. Go, bro. There's so many things going on. Oh shit, I leveled it up. Let's go, baby. Get him, get him. Good. Oh, baby. Why didn't I double jump? Boom, boys, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh shit, miscalculation. I'm gonna note this, okay, I gotta get out of here. Oh, they gotta kill one more. Oh shit. Woo. Easy peasy. Let's do one more. Hell yeah. Time trial. Okay, we're probably gonna... What the fuck happened? What? That's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Oh, shut up, Zircon. Shut your bitch ass. I got you. I'm gonna kill you later. Go. Don't stop. Won't stop. Zircon, shut your pie hole up, buddy. I entered the portal. Fuck you. Damn. Okay, let's try. Thirteen seconds. Now we're at 13. You guys see what's going on here? What the fuck's going on? How's I even out of the map? The fuck? Alright. Last try. I'm concentrating. Full concentration. Well, that'll do it for this episode, everybody. Okay, completed. I'll do it in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.